this up here, you know, to the end of the cab, clamping it real good on both sides. That way it'll kind of square this in. Now it's going to take probably this chunk of metal, lay it across right here and clamp it really good. And then I was going to burn this in on each side just to hold it. And that should square the back half of the rail.
Okay.
And then once we get that clamped in and burned in, we can cut this out and start working on our cross.
Yep.
So that's the plan.
What I'm thinking, the easiest thing is once we get the rear end out of it, have it on jack stands, and that's when the back brace will be the easiest to build.
Yeah, it'd be
build
outside
of the
face
vehicle.
down on jack stands. Yeah.
Where you can sit on a stool and sit there and spend a few hours on a grinder.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get all the metal moved up here.
Okay.
through the friggin' top of the shoe.
Air hammer up and then go right in between there. We can split it. Oh, it's a little bitty chunk right there. Isn't it?
Yeah. Gonna find center on this, drill a hole through the center of both plates so our bar's the same on both sides. Then we're gonna run the bar out the frame on both sides so that we know everything is square. Nope. Oh, fuck. I'll wind up busting it. Oh! I have a lot of footage of it falling.
What was that, Aaron?
I'm gonna have a lot of footage of that GoPro falling.
Alright, that should stay. Glass is good and clean right behind it.
But I was trying to go to where, trying to get the front edge of the plate even with the front of this hole, because that's like a frame alignment hole. So it gives us a good reference point. Yep. Then once we get this all welded in, we can cut this off.
Yep.
I mean, we can leave it for now as an extra brace.
Extra brace.
But yeah, this is just a piece of scrap tube put back here.
Yep. And then, in a sense, C-notch can go ahead and...
That just looks too narrow up here. But you get back here, the frame...
it's crazy how much these frames dip in.
Yeah. Put a little lube on it. Get a center punch.
Hey, that's pretty
It's flush on the front side.
Yep, that's good. That's good. That's perfect. Alright, let me go get the plate for it. Now that pipe should
So the back of the frame is square.
Yep.
We were worried. I was worried.
That's perfect. Right.
You know why we're doing all this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Janky C-notch.
Mm-hmm.
Who installed the janky C-notch?
Guy from Cooper.
Guy from Cooper.
Mm-hmm.
Take the dumpster.
Okay.
Now I'll get the rolly chair over here and set and do it good.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. One cross member mounted.
Yeah.
Well, tacked, not mounted.
Yeah, it's tacked. Got the rear cross member burned in. Got the inside of it plated on both sides. Box frame in. Got to finish the bottom side of the weld there. But rear of the frame is now braced. Next episode, I guess we're doing a C-notch.